Are you ready? We will begin this exercise with the 3-to-1 method. Find a comfortable sitting position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize the number 333 times. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize the number 23 times. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize the number 13 times. And you are at level 1, the basic level that you can use for any purpose that you desire. Here now, we're going to help you learn to enter the physical relaxation level 3. To help you learn to relax physically at level 3, I'm going to direct your attention to different parts of your body. Relax your scalp. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your neck. Relax your face. Relax your throat. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest, externally and internally. Relax your abdominal area, externally and internally. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. This is your physical relaxation level 3. Whenever you mentally repeat and visualize the number 3, your body will relax as completely as you are now, and more so as every time you practice to enter mental relaxation level 2, mentally repeat and visualize the number 2 several times. And you are at level 2, a deeper level than 3. Level 2 is for mental relaxation, where noises will not distract you. Instead, noises will help you to relax more and more to improve mental relaxation. And level 2, practice visualizing tranquil and passive scenes. To enter the basic plane level 1, mentally repeat and visualize the number 1 several times. You are now at level 1. The basic level that you are learning to use for a purpose, any purpose you desire. To enter deeper, healthier levels of mind, practice with the countdown deepening exercises to deepen count downward from 25 to 1, or from 50 to 1, or from 100. When you reach the count of 1, you will have reached a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. You will always have full control and complete dominion over your senses and faculties at all levels of the mind, including the outer conscious level. The best time to practice the countdown deepening exercises is in the morning when you wake up. Remain in bed for at least 5 minutes practicing the countdown deepening exercises. The second best time to practice is at night, when you are ready to retire. The third best time to practice is at noon after lunch. 5 minutes of practice is good. 10 minutes is very good. 15 minutes is excellent. To practice once a day is good. 2 times a day is very good. and 3 times a day is excellent. If you have a health problem, practice for 15 minutes 3 times a day. To come out of any level of the mind, mentally count to yourself from 1 to 5, and tell yourself that at the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. Then proceed to count slowly from 1 to 2, then to 3, and at the count of 3, mentally remind yourself that at the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. Proceed to count slowly to 4, then 5, at the count of 5, and with your eyes open, mentally tell yourself, I am wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before, and this is all. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I am going to count from 10 to 1. On each descending number, you will feel yourself going deeper, and you will enter a deeper, healthier level of mind. 10, 9, feel going deeper. 8, 7, 6, deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, deeper and deeper. 2, 1. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. You may enter a deeper, healthier level of mind by simply relaxing your eyelids. Relax your eyelids. Feel how relaxed they are. Allow this feeling of relaxation to flow slowly downward throughout your body, all the way down to your toes. It is a wonderful feeling to be deeply relaxed, a very healthy state of being. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 and cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, you will project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation. I will then stop talking to you, and when you next hear my voice, 1 hour of time will have elapsed at this level of mind. One, 2, 3. Project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation until you hear my voice again. After I stop talking to you, and when you hear my voice again, you will take a deep breath. Relax and go deeper. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath and go deeper. The difference between genius mentality and lay mentality is that geniuses use more of their minds and use them in a special manner. You are now able to use more of your mind and to use it in a special manner. The following are beneficial statements, which you may occasionally repeat while at this levels of the mind. Repeat mentally after me. My increasing mental faculties are for serving humanity better. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better, better, and better. Positive thoughts bring me all the benefits and advantages I desire. I have full control and complete dominion over my sensing faculties. At this level of the mind, or any other level, including the outer conscious level, And this is how. The following preventive statements are for your better health. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally mental disorders, nor psychosomatic or functional ailments or diseases. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally heart ailments or diseases. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally circulatory ailments or diseases, nor leukemia or diabetes. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally respiratory ailments or diseases, nor diseases such as arthritis or glaucoma. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally a dependence on drugs or alcohol. I will never learn to develop physically or mentally, nor mentally or physically, the conditions or any of the symptoms of the disease known as cancer. Negative thoughts, negative suggestions have no influence over me at any level of the mind. I will always maintain a perfectly healthy body. I am now able to attune my intelligence by developing my sensing faculties and to project them to any point or place on this planet so as to be aware of any actions taking place, if this is necessary and beneficial for humanity. I am now able to attune my intelligence by developing my sensing faculties and to project them to any point or place on any planet within the solar system, any solar system within the galaxy, any galaxy within the universe, and to be aware of any actions taking place, if this is necessary and beneficial for humanity. I am now able to attune my intelligence by developing my sensing faculties and to project them to the different matter kingdoms, the inanimate matter kingdom, any of its levels and depths, the animate matter kingdom with reproductive intelligence, plant life and animal life, any of its levels and depths, the animate matter kingdom with reproductive intelligence and an awareness of existence, the human body and the mind kingdom, any of its levels and depths. I am now able to detect abnormalities whenever such abnormalities exist within any kingdom, any level, any depth, if this is necessary and beneficial for humanity. I am now able to apply corrective measures and to bring back to normalcy any abnormality found within any kingdom, any level, any depth, if this is necessary and beneficial for humanity. Negative thoughts, negative suggestions have no influence over me at any level of the mind. every time you function at these levels of the mind, you will receive beneficial effects. Physically and mentally, you may use these levels of the mind to help yourself physically and mentally. You may use these levels of the mind to help your loved ones physically and mentally. You may use these levels of the mind and all these points of reference to help any human being who needs help physically and mentally. You will never use these levels of the mind and these points of reference to harm any human being if this be your intention. You will not be able to function within these levels of the mind. You will always use these levels of the mind and these points of reference in a constructive, creative manner for all that is good, honest, pure, clean, and positive, and this is so. You will continue to strive to take part in constructive and creative activities to make this a better world to live in, so that when we move on, we shall have left behind a better world for those who follow. You will consider the whole of humanity, depending on their ages, as fathers or mothers, brothers or sisters, sons or daughters. You are a superior human being. You have greater understanding, compassion, and patience with others. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5 and cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. You will have no ill effects whatsoever in your head, no headache, no ill effects whatsoever in your hearing, no buzzing in your ears. No ill effects whatsoever in your vision, eyesight, and hearing improve every time you function at these levels of the mind. 1, 2, coming out slowly now. 3, at the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before, feeling the way you feel when you have slept the right amount. Of revitalizing, refreshing, relaxing, healthy sleep. 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. How do you feel? Better and better, right? It is, will be, and will continue to be better and better and better.